when do you start fertilizing roses and what kind of fertilizer should I use? This is Midnight Owl 99 on YouTube. So Midnight Owl 99, guess what? Rose expert right here. So when do you start fertilizing and what are you going to use?
Well, late fall, early spring, I put out organics.
Okay.
Compost, any kind of organics. Never underestimate Miracle Grow which works on so many different things.
Okay.
It's a tablespoon per gallon, and that's pretty easy to just go put a gallon per bush.
Okay.
And but Rose Tone, and there's some other commercial, 20, 30 pound bags that you can put a couple cups per bush.
Okay.
And that's a real good beneficial, but it takes a while. It's not immediate. I mean, you can get a handful of triple 13 or something like that and spread around the drip line, and that'll work much quicker. Always check that pH.
Yeah.
Because if the pH is off, fertilizers don't work.
Right.
They just sit in the ground.
I'm glad you mentioned that. Yeah, so getting your soil tested will help to know what the pH is going to be. Because roses are heavy feeders, right?
Heavy feeders, like tomatoes and okra, and I fertilize in the fall, then again with the organics in the spring, and then I'll put Epsom salt, which is a miracle drug in my opinion. It's good for tomatoes, plants, sore elbow. I mean, it's great stuff.
Can you put down too much Epsom salt though?
I don't know that you could. The plant's only going to take so much.
Right.
I don't know that it would. Now, most men in general think if one's good, take 10.
Right,
I've seen that with insecticides, fungicides.
Yeah.
But usually for an average size bush, 3 foot tall bush, a quarter cup's plenty.
Okay.
Now you can put some will use a whole cup. I don't think it'll hurt anything.
Okay.
I mean, it won't burn. Meal organite is a good slow release, doesn't burn for nitrogen. You want to look at those leaves. If the leaves are pale yellow, they need nitrogen.
Right.
You want that dark green. That's what everybody strives for. If you got all that, the blooms will come. And deadhead.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.